Money is changing right before our eyes, from cash to cards, and now to digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and beyond. But here's the truth. If you're not paying attention, you might get left behind in the biggest financial revolution of our time. Today, we're breaking down why following the trend in digital currencies isn't just smart, it could shape your financial future forever. Money has always evolved. We started with barter trading, goats for grain, then gold coins, then paper money, then plastic cards. Now it's digital. Why? Because technology is making money faster, safer, and borderless. Ask yourself, do you still carry a thick wallet of cash or do you tap your phone to pay? That's the same shift happening with cryptocurrencies. It's not a question of if it's happening now. So why should you follow this trend? 3 big reasons. Control over your money. With digital currencies, you don't need a bank to approve your transaction. You send, receive, and store your money directly. Borderless power. Sending money across the world can take days with banks, but with digital currency, it's seconds. Protection against inflation. While traditional money loses value over time, many digital currencies like Bitcoin are designed to be scarce, making them a shield against inflation. In short, digital currency gives you more freedom, more speed, and more security. This isn't just theory, it's already happening. In Africa, young entrepreneurs are using Bitcoin and stablecoins to bypass banking restrictions. Freelancers in Asia and Latin America are getting paid in crypto instead of waiting weeks for bank transfers. Small businesses worldwide are starting to accept digital payments to reach global customers. The people who follow the trend early are the ones reaping the benefits now. History teaches us a lesson. Every time money changes, those who ignore it get left behind. The people who dismissed credit cards decades ago, today they struggle with modern banking. The ones who ignored the internet, they missed out on opportunities that built billion-dollar companies. The ones who laughed at Bitcoin at $1, well, today they're watching from the sidelines. The biggest risk you can take is doing nothing while the world moves forward. Now, following the trend doesn't mean throwing all your money into the latest coin. It means getting educated and taking small, smart steps. Learn the basics. Understand what blockchain, Bitcoin, and stablecoins are. Start small. Experiment with small amounts to learn how wallets and exchanges work. Think long-term. Digital currency isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about preparing for the future of money. Stay updated. The trend is evolving daily. Keep your knowledge fresh. The earlier you start learning, the easier the transition becomes. For more information, visit www.ajecoin.io.